Webcab was founded 8 years ago to help our customers' need. Our mission was to reduce costs, help communication in between departments, and promote Industries 4.0 technologies. Today, Webcab has over 2,700 users. Production Assistant from Webcab can be all over your shop or at specific station to cover your need. It is a custom platform. Production Assistant is compatible with your actual software. We're able to import data coming out from Cabinet Vision, Microvellum, WoodCAD CAM, eCabinet, and even spreadsheets. We can connect with your different ERP system already in place. Our technology is modular. We can cover needs going to management of inventory, be able to do planning. Make sure that you ship everything online, creating real-time packing lists, organizing and sorting components as they go through to the assembly. Have 3D visual rendering of what needs to be assembled. Real-time labeling on demand for the nesting machine, and be able to group parts as they come out from the machines. Be able to stage components once they're completed and create kits to help for the shipping. With our 8 years of experience, we can truly say that Production Assistant is a simple integration software and within 5 days on site results. It reduces of 80% unuseful communication in between departments. It also reduces of 50% your assembly time. It helps you train a new employee within 1 hour. To know more about Production Assistant or to schedule a one-on-one with one of our Webcab specialists, give us a call at 1-877-844-4141.